welcome back to my channel. I got my Glossybox for the month of May 2018. So, if you want to see what I got in this adorable yellow box, stay tuned. But first, you guys know what to do. Press it. Press it. You know you want to press it. Did you press it? Everyone who's pressed it, thank you. Thank you. You press subscribe. Guys, this box, I cannot. It's so cute. Like Glossybox, I mean the products they give us sometimes are trash, but like, well not trash, but just not my cup of tea. But this box, and it's hard too. Like, I just can't. This is so cute. It says eat, sleep, travel, repeat. Okay. Okay. Like, y'all are not lying. Look at this. The paper is a globe, like a freaking map. Okay, this is just so cute with the yellow bow instead of the pink. So, let me try to get a little snapshot here of what we got. I want to show the top, the really cute top too. I mean, because this is just like so cute. This is so cute. Can you even deal with this? Like, oh my god. Guys, I can't. So yeah, let's get into what we got here. Glossybox is $21 if you guys didn't know. So it's a little bit on the pricier side, but you do get full size items. Oh my gosh, I left this in my car and it was 90 degrees today and I didn't realize that there was actually makeup in here. Oh, thank goodness. I don't think it melted too much. I just saw this. I didn't think there was any makeup, so I like left it in my car. Okay, this is a bronzer, I believe, and it's from oh my god, it's from Glitzy Cosmetics Shade Sticks bronzer. So this is what it looks like. Looks like you get, oh wow, a lot of product. This is, and I was actually gonna get a stick contour too. So so this hopefully will be dark enough for me. Let me see. This is in the shade Aloha, and no, it's not dark enough for me. Darn. Oh well, it's a little bit dark on me. It's a little dark on me. Okay, this might be okay if you layer it with a powder. Yeah, so this is the bronzer. I didn't think there was any makeup in this box. That's why I like put it in my car, because I get deliveries to my job. Sometimes. I actually changed this box to my house, but they still delivered it to my job like fools. But anyway, yeah, so this is the Glitzy, and it's cruelty-free, bronzer stick. So yeah, it's not too dark on me. If you're a lot fairer than me, obviously it'll work a lot better, but this might need to be layered with like a powder bronzer or contour, and this is in the shade Aloha. So I'm not mad at that. Full price $24, and I think that's full size. This I was really excited about. This is a facial cleanser, deep cleansing oil. It's 1 ounce, and it says massage onto dry face for 30 to 40 seconds. So if you ever see those Instagram videos where they have a full face makeup and they put the oil on and then they do this and it's all over their face, this is what they're using, the facial cleansing oil. And let me see how much this is. 2 is the oil. Okay, so the full size is 6.7 ounces and it's $28. So this is a trial size or travel size, but yeah, so I'll try this out and see how it works. I was excited about that. This, you guys, like I just can't. I really can't. They gave me another shampoo and conditioner. They kill me giving us shampoo and conditioner because it's like you don't know what type of hair I have. But since they're small, like you can travel with these. They're 2 ounces. Is that too big to travel? I think it can be 3 ounces or something. I'm like, I'll live with it since they're small, but I'm just like, really guys? And these are worth $22 and $16, the full sizes. These are the trial sizes. Next thing I got is this Arizona perfume. And I collect perfumes, for anyone who doesn't know. I just love, love, love collecting perfumes. I love all the different smells. So this is called Arizona, and this is full size is $100. Oh my god, this better smell good. This smells like, not cleaning, it smells like soap or something. Okay, it says, from the storied fashion house comes a truly transportive scent, white cactus flower and creamy orris. Okay, so soft mountaintop. It says it smells like soft mountaintops. Oh my god, I guess that's why it's called Arizona. And this is from Proenza Schuler. Proenza Schuler. I mean, I'll keep it because I mean, it doesn't smell bad. It smells like citrus and wind or something. I don't know, but it smells pretty good. It smells like a clean fragrance, like soap or something would smell. So Arizona, it's good. I love throwing these like in my makeup bag, so that way if I'm like traveling or something, I'll have like all my different perfumes. The last thing we got is something big in here. It says it's protecting daily moisturizer with sunscreen SPF. Okay, and this is from Tree Hut Skincare. It looks big. Wow. Okay, protecting daily moisturizer. All right, let's see how it smells. It has SPF 30 and refining rose. So SPF is not bad, especially for now, because I'm actually working outside now in the field. So I'm like in and out all day. So, oh, really? Oh my god. It doesn't smell like any type of rose, so we'll just rub it in here and see. Oh my gosh, it really is like SPF. It's so white. But yeah, this is good to like put on under makeup if you're gonna be outside, like cause me, I'm in and out all day, so this will be good. So SPF. Okay, and it's about to be summer, so it's getting warm outside. It's actually burning hot in here now. But yeah, so guys, I think this box wasn't a total miss. A lot of times my glossy boxes are like complete misses for me. Like, I can't use this, I can't use that, blah, 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 blah. This one was not bad, and I just love, love, love this theme. I love this, like, with the jet going all around and the globe paper. I really love it. And the theme is glossy travels. So yeah, make sure you guys check out all my other videos, all my other unboxings for May. You know you want to subscribe. You know you want to subscribe. You should also follow my Instagram. And you should also watch all my other videos that I filmed. So until the next video, guys, bye.